Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're making this super delicious strawberry frappuccino. I didn't buy this, I made it at home. Super refreshing any time of the year. You know, spring, summer, fall, whatever it might be. So let me walk you through this and let's get started. So first up, I'm going to make the puree, and what I've got here are about 15 strawberries. So I'm just going to add these to a saucepan. Followed by 4 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. I love strawberries. And I'm just going to grab my handy dandy wooden spoon here and just give these a mix until the strawberries are really well coated with the sugar. Put them on a burner and let them melt down and come to a boil. And we're going to allow these to cook for about, I'd say 5 minutes or so. And you can see these strawberries are releasing a lot of water, which that's what we want. After about 5 minutes, the berries are really tender. Look at the water they've released. And they look absolutely delicious. So we're going to kill the heat. Grab my masher, and I'm going to mash these guys up, and it's going to become an awesome puree. Notice I stumbled over that word, puree. By the way, guys, corny joke time. What do you call a sad strawberry? A blueberry. Okay, voila, our puree. So I'm just going to set this aside and let it cool down while we're doing our ice mixture. Now I'm going to add about 20 ice cubes to our blender. I know that was loud. Half a cup of milk. And about 2 tablespoons of our super yummy delicious puree. Place the top on. And this is my unique blender, but you can use a blender of your choice. And pulse it until it's well combined and smooth. And what you want, guys, is a beautiful texture and color, something like this. So let's start building our delicious strawberry frappuccino by adding, well, I'd say about 3 tablespoons of our super delicious puree. And you kind of want the juices here. And you can add a little more if you like to. And in my case, I'm going to add probably another tablespoon. Just to get that delicious goodness at the bottom. Then our ice mixture. And I'm going to fill this just about to the top. Maybe something like this. More of our juicy puree on the top. And you might have a bit of puree left over, but you know, you can have that for breakfast on toast or something like that. Doesn't this look great? Then some whipped cream over the top. And let's face it, you know what? A treat wouldn't be a treat without whipped cream. Another drizzle of our super yummy delicious puree. This just looks gorgeous. And to top things off, the final, a few fresh raspberries. Now this is totally optional, but I just kind of like them. It makes it look so nice and taste so good. But if you can't get them, that's totally fine. And there you have it, guys, our strawberry frappuccino, super delicious and super refreshing. You're gonna love this. Okay, guys, let's put a straw in here and give this a taste test. Oh my goodness, you can take a spoon and eat the top. It is so good. It's rich, but it's not too sweet. Oh, I just love it. And the great thing is you can make it at home. You gotta try this. So for the full scoop on this recipe and many more great drinks, head on over to cookandshare.com. You're gonna love it over there. It'll keep you busy for hours. Thanks for watching and thanks for subbing, and see you next time.